Yeah.
Am I visible to everyone?
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So guys, welcome to Kleiba's first Discord community event. So we have on here Mr. Ayush Gupta, who is the founder of Trikon Technologies. Trikon Technologies was founded in 2020. They are into 3D printing and additive manufacturing techniques. They want to disrupt the conventional manufacturing techniques with 3D printing. One special thing about them is they also have their own in-house FDM and SLA printers whose patents are pending. That's actually really great, Mr. Ayush. So, Mr. Ayush, I think you can start. Do tell us about 3D printing and how your industry works.
Thanks for the introduction, Rash. I'll start. Put it on the screen. Just a second. Is my screen visible?
It's loading. Yes, it's visible.
So, I'll be first starting with what is 3D printing and how 3D printing works basically. So, what comes to anyone's mind when they think of 3D printing is? So 3D printing is actually very similar. Just one second. I'll just reshare. Maintenance. So it heats in the material, in this case the plastic filament, and it deposits slowly on the print bed. So the bed has a certain sticking property. So the plastic is melted out and it's sticking to the bed, and slowly the extruder moves up in the Z direction, so that different layers could be manufactured. So I'll show a video, a time lapse. This is a time lapse video. The real 3D printing does not happen at this speed, so it is very fast, and it's a FDM printer that we have here with us. So this is the video. So I'll just play it again just to depict what the parts are. The blue part that you could see here is the extruder. It lays out the material from time to time, and the black base is the print bed, and extruder is moving up in the Z direction and it's deposited in the yellow filament. In this case, it's a PLA. It's PLA-C. What basically happening is it's cutting across the design in different slices and projecting those projections on the liquid resin. And when the liquid resin comes in contact with that UV light, it solidifies in that position, so that one layer is manufactured, and then the object is slowly pulled out of the machine, so that this particular object is printed. I will show it again. This is the printer bed in this case, the upper part. This is the liquid resin, the transparent kind, and there's a screen below it which is projecting the light to solidify the object. So this is a kind of DLP printer. The next one, what I'll show is SLA. So the material used in case of DLP and SLA is same, but the methodology used to solidify that resin is different. What happens in DLP is we use the screen to create light so that the object is solidified, but in case of SLA, we use a laser. So similarly, when the laser light reacts with the resin, it solidifies in that particular position. So we project the laser light, and using a scanning mirror, we project it on a particular location according to the design, and then the object is that particular layer of the object is moved. And then the whole base is lowered inside the resin, and the relocator blade basically flattens out the top of the resin so that we could achieve the next layer very evenly. There's no unevenness in the print. So SLA is very similar to DLP, but one major advantage of SLA over DLP is